the number of Sidney Sheldon books here and Jeffrey Archer books here. Wow. Look at the mess. Gosh. Oh, look at Harry Potter stuff. Okay. Tread carefully. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mindy, and this is me exposing to you guys, to the internet, my very, very messy desk. This is it. Okay, as you can tell, this is my very messy desk. Over here, right here, I usually have letters and loads of notebooks. Some are my journals, and some are like my notebooks to write down ideas that I have. And this is the HomePod that I will be talking about really soon. And as you can see, there's still some big packets that I have not cleared from the Lunar New Year that just passed, and there's snacks here. And this is one of my favorite lamps ever. I saw it on Jonathan Morrison's desk setup video, and I have some medication here and batteries, and this is actually for my eyes, and some sweets, more snacks, and picture of my sister and I, and my little Groot and Mr. Minion, and these are all the Apple Watch bands right here. And yep, and I got this little shelf from Target so as to organize stuff, but apparently it's not really organized. I have a little stationery holder there, and this whole thing is my makeup box, which used to sit there, my laptop, and my hairband, my hair tie, wallet, and this is, and this is my 27-inch screen that I often use to edit stuff. And I have here my WH-1000X Mark III. And I have like this thing, a hairbrush on my desk. Why? I don't know. And I have loads of like cup holders. No, what's this? Coasters. Yeah, coasters. Loads of coasters here. And I have all my hard drives here sitting around because I've been editing. So yeah, this is my desk. There used to be like a big shelf sitting up there, and all the books from there were actually here. So this desk has been really stable. But I got rid of all the shelves so that I can like have a cleaner look, and the books are now all there. So the plan is to actually dismantle the table, shift this entire shelf right here, and all of this equipment will go behind the desk so that I can sort of like have a nice camera setup just sitting right there so that I can film unboxing videos on this desk. And okay, this is the messy part. So cable management is sort of non-existent. As you can see, this thing just fell off. These are all like some books and bags here. And right here on the floor, I have this curling iron, which I just use, and I just leave it on the floor because I don't like to put things and clog up my desk. So when I'm done with something, I just dump it on the floor. And this is like a new bag that I got for Christmas, and underneath here is my Harry Potter puzzle, which I have yet to open and play with. And right here, there's more bags here, and this is my Harry Potter mug that I have yet to open. Coffee in there that I've yet to open. These are like just boxes and books that I just store here. I don't know why. I'm a mess, so I'm gonna clean all of this up. And hopefully my desk will have better cable management. Hopefully I don't mess things up. So this is the new desk. This is it. Dismantle all of that and move this in and set things up there. So yep, this desk back here has been with me for a really, really long time, and I have been scolded many times for having a messy desk. It was this desk. I know it may be silly talking about how much I'll miss this desk. I mean, after all, it's just a desk that has been with me for about almost at least a decade, longer than a lot of my relationships. I would probably sell this away or give it to someone who needs it. I am looking forward to spending more time with my new and more ergonomic desk that I have yet to set up, and I'm so excited to use and set up and edit on. The desk will appear right in front of you about right now. So this is the brand new table. We just set it up last night, and we're gonna put a glass cover over it because I spilled things, and yeah, things happen on this desk that I don't wish that would happen on this desk, and I don't scratch it, and so yeah. This is like the first hand feels to how it does feel. I'm gonna be quiet. This is how it feels. Very, very sturdy. First shot, first look in the morning. Okay, say goodbye to this shelf here because it's going to be packed and reorganized within 2 hours. I give myself 2 hours and it's going to be shifted from here to here, which is kind of like in a mess now. My room is in a mess now. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, I'm going for you. Okay, step 1 will be to remove all of them and put on the ground, so that it would be easier to shift this cupboard there. So that's what I'm gonna do behind the scenes, yo. Yep.
One eternity later.
Ooh, this is a mess. Wow. And yes, I'm watching Korean drama while doing all this stuff. Wow. Look at the mess. Gosh. Oh, look at Harry Potter stuff. Okay. Tread carefully. Oof. Gotta clean this up now. See you guys in a bit.
The following day.
It was really late last night when I finished everything, but here is my desk setup. And it's all ready to go. This is it. And there's an empty shelf. There's an empty wall here, which I'm gonna place some stuff here. And then this is my little shelf for accessories. And behind me here is my new cupboard. And you can see like really fun stuff here. Oof, it's still a bit messy there. So you can see all my favorite collections. Harry Potter stuff, more Harry Potter stuff, Apple stuff, and my favorite Apple Watch bands just laid here perfectly. Apple stuff, and more books, and makeup stuff, favorite books, and more books. So yeah, this makes up all of my stuff. The room is still a bit messy. Bags piled here, books here ready to be stored, and more books there ready to be given away. So currently this is the setup. Let me just show you guys what is here. So first we have my beautiful 16-inch laptop, MacBook Pro. Okay, and currently it has two things connected. Actually, all 4 ports are taken up because I'm editing stuff. It's connected to the beautiful LG display right here. And as usual, I have keyboards, but surprise, this does not work on here. Instead, just watch. Okay, yeah, it's connected to the iPad. I have been writing on the iPad using this keyboard and it has been so fun. And okay, this is my beautiful mouse, my really ergonomic mouse. It's the Logitech Master MX2S mouse, and I really love how it feels on under my hands. So very nice. And right here we have the beautiful headphones. Okay, this is my favorite pair of headphones, the Sony WH-1000X Mark III. I've did reviews about this, so you can check it out if you want. And here's my AirPods. Ooh, okay. And I have sweets here. This baby frame still remains because it's just way too cute. And Mr. Groot still stays here. Mr. Minion is always his company. And we have this microfiber cloth from NKBHD. And this is the Samsung T5 SSD, and this is the LaCie hard drive, which I use for my work. And this is the HomePod. Yes, the HomePod, the beautiful dumb HomePod. And this is the iPad Pro 11-inch, which I am going to release a video about really soon. And this is my water bottle. This is about a liter tall, and I still have 4 little coasters here because I love to drink, and I'm just gonna drink water right now. Remote control for the AC, and the stack of books still remain. These two here are new. I've yet to read them. This is like a little thing for storing my cables, the cables I always use, like USB-C to Lightning and USB-C to USB-C, and this is to store SD cards. And this is a little holder to keep all my stationery because I still love to write. Even though I have all my gadgets here, I still love to write, as you can tell. This lamp still stays, and it is rocking the Philips Hue light bulb right now. And I can change the light color, and I'm gonna do it right now. Siri, change the study lights to blue.
Okay.
Oh gosh, it just turned it off. Dumb Siri. But it's okay. Siri changed the study lights to blue.
Sorry, I'm unable to.
All the Siri is making noise, but yep, you can tell. Pretty cool, right? I have been living with this. I've been using this for a while now and I love it. And this is what is on my desk currently. And yep. Okay guys, that's it for the behind the scenes of my desk, my sit stand desk, my very first very cool desk. Yeah, and I hope you guys check out my official review of the sit stand desk. Don't be shy, just click on the link. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up and I would love to hear your thoughts, so let me know in the comment section below. Stay minty and cheery. See you guys in the next one.